Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you might have been seeing pictures flying around on Facebook, something like this, 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 and this. Don't worry. Just carry your seat and sit down because in this tutorial we are going to teach you how to create these beautiful images. Yes, you can go to Facebook, copy prompt, any prompt that you see flying around and use to generate yours. I will use a prompt that I collected from Facebook or one picture to generate an image. Then secondly, I'm going to teach you how to get prompts from any picture that you see. So are you seeing it? So if this is what you want, stay tuned, watch to the end. But before we dive in, I would like you to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel because we have more juicy videos coming up. So let's dive into what we are going to do today. So let's open our Google. Go to Google Chrome. Open your Google. So this interface you're going to see. Then search for Google Studio AI. So see how it looks like. Google AI Studio. Okay. So you wait for it to open. So once it opens, see your Nano is already here. Are you seeing it? So you click on it. The icing generate an image of a banana wearing. No, that's not what I want. So I'll just clean. Okay. So what we are going to do to paste, I'm going to paste the prompt that I got from Facebook. So this is the prompt I got from Facebook. So let me clean this prompt. Okay, it says a stylish professional woman use image as reference. So the image I want to use as reference is my own photo. So let me go and get it from my gallery. So I'll go to plus, go to upload file, go to photos. Then let me, yes, so this is the image I want to use for this tutorial. So the secret in this generating a very nice AI picture is one, you can use a selfie picture that shows your face very well, your face very clearly. Do you get? So that's the secret of it. You can find your any of your studio pics or a selfie that captures your face very well. That is when you're going to get the result that you are looking for. Okay, so once you have uploaded the image and paste the prompt that you copied from Facebook or anywhere, then you have to click on this arrow facing up. Okay, so I click on it, then I wait for it. So you see, you wait for it to generate. So remember that after this phase, you are going to go to Pinterest now so that we can get picture by ourselves. Wow. See how I'm looking like a boss woman. Whatever. So you wait for it to load finish. So this is the prompt I saw on Facebook. So I copied it and here you go. See the result it gave me. Okay, so wow. Are you seeing this? So let me save. So you click on this save icon, you've already saved, okay? Okay, so that's it. Then let's go to Pinterest and find a prompt, a picture that we are going to use, okay? Then we go to Pinterest now. Are you seeing it? So I'll just go to this search icon. I went here. I went here. This search icon here. I'll search for, let's say, gown outfit ideas. A gown outfit for women because I love gowns. Oh, wow. Are you seeing the styles? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Okay. Wow. I love this. No, I love this. So guys, I've already found the image I want to use. So I love the outfit and everything. So I'll come here, click on this three icon, click on download. Okay. So the next step now is for me to go to ChatGPT. So that's where the trick is. Okay, so I'll go to Chrome, then go to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT opens. So ChatGPT has my name already and everything. So you have to log in. If you have not opened ChatGPT on your phone, you have to like log in your email and the So I've already opened my ChatGPT and this interface that comes up. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll go to this plus icon. If you have ChatGPT app, you can also use it. If you have ChatGPT WhatsApp, you can also use it. So I'll click on this plus icon, go to add photo, then go to photos, and to bring that picture that I know is in paints. So I'll go to paints, I'll click on this photo. So I'll wait for it to load. Okay. So I'll wait for it to start. Make sure that I'll write generate a prompt for this image. Then I'll click on good icon. Then you have to wait for some time for ChatGPT to generate a prompt for you. So are you seeing that ChatGPT have already generated? So what you're going to do is just to click on it, click down and move. You see this blue? I'm trying to copy the prompt, so I'll make sure that it's only the place that the prompt is that I'll select. Okay. So you click down, select, shift this place that looks like this thing, shift it up to, then press copy. Once I've copied it, I'll go back to Google AI Studio. So once my Google AI Studio opens again, I'll go to this plus icon. No, I'll paste my prompt. So it's saying a stunning woman standing outdoor wearing a form of sleeveless purple, whatever, whatever. So I'll go to this hemline, this place. I'll click on bracket and say use the uploaded image. So I'll write use the uploaded image face as reference. Okay. So I'll write use the uploaded image face as reference. Okay. Then I'll click on this plus icon. Then I'll go and look for my picture again. Okay. That my picture that I used before. That. Okay, this is the image I want to use. So I'll wait for it to upload. So remember that this is the prompt I got from a photo I got on Pinterest. So that's how you can generate your own prompts. You copy, you download the image, go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate a prompt for that exact image. Anywhere you see any picture that you like, the pose and everything, just save it and upload it on ChatGPT. It gives you that result. So what I'll do next is to click on this arrow facing up. Okay. So I'll click on it and wait for it to generate. Okay. So I believe it's already generating. Let's wait. Okay. Yeah. Wow. I look so beautiful here. I look so beautiful here. Are you seeing what I'm saying? So what you remember to when you paste the prompt, just come to the end of the first sentence that has full stop and put bracket and write use the uploaded image face as reference. Okay. So the image has finished loading. Wow. This is so beautiful. So what will I do now? I'll just come here and click on download. So it automatically downloads to my phone. Wow, this is beautiful. So guys, another trick that you can do to this picture is, let's say change the color. No, let's say make her sit on a couch. Let's say white couch with her leg crossed and let this clothes be changed to red with matching pause and heal. Okay, I'll send. Let's see. AI is very beautiful. So you have to wait. Remember, you have to wait here. Let the result come out. Result of what you want come out. Wow, guys, this is beautiful. But I don't like purple and red and purple doesn't match. So let me also say uh, also change the purple color to red too. The purple color on the outfit to red. So okay. Wow, this is beautiful. So are you saying it? So this is how you can be tweaking your images, okay? Yes, you can tweak your images to whatever you want. So I'll click here. Wow. Then I'll click what? Save. So guys, that's it. Bye. See you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.